We're going to take a look at long division. Now, there's more than one way to do long division, but this is the way that I prefer to do my long division questions. So if you've been using another method, feel free to use that, but this is the way that I like to do it. So I just do it like a normal short division. We don't know our 13 times table, so we have to do a little bit of estimating, and you'll need a little bit of space for working out. So we'll start with our first example here. So 13 into 5 does not go, so we can put a 0 in there and carry our 5 over. Now, 13 into 58, I don't know how many times exactly 13 goes into 58, but I'm approximating that it probably goes in about 4 times. So I'm going to check out what 13 times by 4 is. So 4 times by 3 is 12, and 4 times by 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5, that's 52. So yes, it does go in 4 times, and it's 4 times by 13 is 52. This is 58, so the difference between 52 and 58 is 6, so I carry my remainder in there. Now I'm going to do 13 into 65. Again, I don't know how many times 13 goes into 65, so I'm going to approximately guess roughly what I think it would be. So, well, if 13 times 4 is 52, it's probably about 13 times 5. So we'll do 13 times 5 and see what that is. So 3 times by 5 is 15. And 5 times by 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6, and it's exactly right. So it does go in 5 times. So your answer there is 45. Let's try this next example. So for this one here, we're doing 23 into 786. All right, so 23 into 7 doesn't go, and we carry our 7 over. 23 into 78. Well, 2 23s is 46, so maybe it goes in 3 times. We'll try 3, so 3 times by 23. 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 times by 2 is 6, so that's 69. Okay, there's still a bit left, but I think if I add another 23 onto that, so if I went 23 times by 4, that would be 80 something, so it's 3 times. Now I need to work out my remainder, so 69, we're going to take that away from 78. So 69 away from 78 is a total of 9. So now I need to work out how many times 23 goes into 96. So 3 23s is 69, 4 23s, if I add another 23, and that might be quite close, so I'll do 23 times by 4 just to see. 4 times by 3 is 12, 4 times by 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. That's 92, so that's as close as it's going to get. So I am going to put down that it goes in 4 times. And the difference between 96 then and 92 is a total of 4, so we're going to have a remainder of 4 in this one. So I hope you find this helpful for long division.